this because I actually picked up 2 wigs from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that is Beauty Forever. I do love them, and I have a lot of units from them. And as we're getting ready to wrap up 2025, and I'm getting ready to release my most favorite human hair wigs of 2025, I'm trying to push a few more through. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair, and I would love it if you would come in here and subscribe and talk to me and my other friends in the comments, because boy do they talk recklessly sometimes, but I love them. If you are one of my friends, even the ones that talk recklessly down there, welcome back. Like I said, I picked up 2 units from Beauty Forever. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all. So I do love Beauty Forever's packaging. So the unit comes with this bowling bag storage case, and like I tell y'all all the time, it has their branding on it. I use these for everything probably except storing a wig. Like, I absolutely love the bag. Then the unit also comes with a silk storage case, which is great for storage as well. And we have some extras in here. They've also included some HD wig caps and an edge band. And the wig. The wig that I picked up, the first one, is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. It is 24 inches long, and it's a loose wave. A beautiful, beautiful loose wave. Let's take it out this plastic so we can see the cap construction and the hair texture up close. There are tons of companies that say they are pre-everything, and they aren't really, but I can say that Beauty Forever truly has pre-done everything for me. They also included some pre-everything tabs for this unit. Those curls are so gorgeous. The texture is that perfect texture. It's not too yucky, not too silky. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I also see that there's a roller in the front, so I'm assuming that I got a bang unit. I can't remember because I ordered so much hair, y'all. Y'all hear Tito? And then here's that 13x4 parting space. You also have 2 pre-everything tabs already attached. We have 2 combs in the front to the right and the left. And then in the back, we have a drawstring, which is my favorite part of a unit, a comb, we have some adjustable straps, and we have a glueless band attached. But this drawstring is my most favorite part. What I want to do is I'm going to put this on my head before I comb out a single curl, take out a roller or any of that so you guys can see it. I'll brush it out, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and die. And
for my final thoughts on this wig, and this is why I love Beauty Forever. This wig checked all 3 of my boxes, and y'all know that they are cost, beginner friendliness, and quality. So as far as cost goes, Beauty Forever is some of the most affordable human hair that you can get on the market. So I knew that was a check. And they also have payment options, and they're running a holiday sale right now. So super check on cost. Beginner friendliness, y'all know sometimes I get overwhelmed by like a 13x4 or 13x6. I love when Beauty Forever does these pre-everything wigs because I don't feel overwhelmed at all. I was even able to pull some half up, half down, and with my skill, y'all know my skill level is really, really low, and I think I love it half up, half down. It like screams like perfect holiday hair. And as far as quality, I knew that was gonna be a 10 out of 10 as well because I have worn Beauty Forever hair for so long. I have a couple of Beauty Forever units that have to be at least 3 to 4 years old, and they still get pulled down off the shelf sometimes. So this is one that I definitely can recommend. This is in the running for my Christmas Eve or Christmas Day hair because I can see myself sitting in my little turtleneck, maybe not a turtleneck because I don't need to be constricted because I'm gonna eat so much. Maybe in a little V-neck sweater, right? No jeans, stretch pants with my hair pulled up, half down like this, you know? And I think it would work. I do like this one a lot. And y'all, that's it right out of the pack. Like I didn't have to do much to this. So this one is a definite winner. If you look down in the description box, I'll put out the details on this specific one, as well as a direct link to their website, because I encourage you to look around. If this is not long enough for you, you can get it longer. If this is too long for you, you can get it shorter. I think at this length, it is really cute, right? Yeah. So in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very, very soon, because I got to crank this stuff out. The year's almost over. Bye, y'all.